Sorry. Part 2. Warren, Ohio. Packard Music Hall. We're behind Packard Music Hall at Packard Park. I had to stop that other recording and my arm was killing me. Plus I had to move the freak out of the way. I think that was supposed to be a heart, babe.
It was a broken heart.
Yeah, it was. It was a broken heart. Wish I would have remembered my friggin' camera holder.
What?
I forgot my holder and my fucking arm is goddamn killing me.
Tripod.
It's a mini tripod, but it makes it easier to hold the phone up. I'm gonna get just a regular like camera instead of using the one on my phone. I can't afford the bestest phones in the world, so I don't have the bestest cameras. This is a Galaxy 9 Edge. The quality's fine as long as the damn fog and the reflections making it focus back and forth, back and forth. It's starting to rain.
If I sit with my legs crossed,
Boom.
Come here, bud.
Sit.
Come on.
He said he's gonna be sleeping way now that we get there. Fucking A.
Oh, the raindrops are getting bigger.
Yes, sir.